northeastern Pecos County in southwestern Texas, until 7:15 p.m. Central Time. At 6:28 p.m. Central Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 18 miles east of Fort Stockton, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado and hail up to 3 inches in diameter. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern Pecos County, including the following locations: Bakersfield and Girvan. This includes Interstate 10 between mile markers 282 and 312. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.